Hi, my best friends. Welcome to Psycho Says. Many men, when falling in love with a girl, are too excited. You hope she falls in love and thinks of you constantly. When this happens, most men resort to showing off and start feeling like they are in a race. Whoever makes the first and best impression will win the trophy. This is wrong, bro. Do not act too distant or play hard to get. You must know when to be excited and when to resist yourself. Don't worry, there is good news for you. In this video, you will find 10 tips on how to make a girl fall in love and think about you constantly. You are my best friend. Support this channel to grow and greet you by pressing the like, subscribe, and good comments button. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Be patient and positive. If you want to make a girl fall in love with you, then you have to learn to be patient and optimistic. If you want to not just make a girl think about you, but also build a lasting connection with her, patience and positivity are your greatest allies. Efforts and their consequences take time to show. If she genuinely likes you, then she'll come around. Don't make advances and then turn your back and leave if the going gets tough. Instead, hold your breath. Keep moving forward one step at a time consistently. 2. Avoid being overly eager to impress. To make a girl think about you constantly, sometimes you need to know when to hold back and when to indulge her desires. If you overcommit, you're bound to come across as a superficial lover, too eager even though your intentions might be genuine. When this happens, most men resort to showing off and start feeling like they are in a race. Whoever makes the first and best impression would win the trophy. Her precious attention. Do not act too distant or play hard to get. No one likes the idea of dating a player, but at the same time, simply do not say yes to everything she asks for. 3. Give a sincere compliment. Compliments are not biased to any gender, but then, men who do not forget to pay the right compliment at the right moment make a lasting impression. How about you compliment how gracefully she walked to the stage and handled the audience? Perhaps add on how you liked her confidence? Make it more about her personality than her appearance, and you will definitely make a lasting impression on her. However, it's more important to be genuine than right. 4. Pay attention to the little things. Women are very attentive to the smallest of details. They may not show it too obviously, but they do notice and remember everything. The secret recipe for memorable dates is a good and meaningful conversation. And as much as it is important to talk, open up, and share, it's equally important that you listen. And not just listen, but really listen. Did she mention casually about avoiding a certain person or bring up a bitter memory? How does she like to have her morning coffee? What ticks her off or uplifts her mood? If you do remember these seemingly small details that are important to her, you are sure you make an indelible mark on her heart and mind. Show her that you care about every little thing that she says. 5. Think about you through text. Puzzled? How to make a girl think about you through text? If you've seen each other in the past, then bring up a meme about something you share in common. While there are numerous ways to make yourself memorable when you're together, texts are the easiest trick to make a girl think about you when you're not around, assuming your girl is a text person and not a call person. On a more intimate note, share a cozy, on the bed picture and remind her of what a great time you had. 6. Treat her as an equal. No one wants a partner they can keep chasing. Having someone to walk side by side with is the real deal. For that to happen, you need to treat her as an equal, be it in the bedroom, a restaurant, or your entire life. Involve her in all your small and big life decisions and offer to be involved in hers. Respect her choices and value her opinions. Steer clear of mansplaining or assuming the authority to tell her what she should or shouldn't do. Show her that you are proud of dating an independent woman. 7. Special treatment. Make sure you feel like she is the most special woman in the world for you. And with this trick, She won't just be thinking about you, but will be telling all her girlfriends what a great guy you are. You can give her an unexpected surprise. Who doesn't like a well-timed and unexpected surprise? Surprises comprise both sweet gestures and immaterial gifts. From planning short and sweet dates to gifting her favorite lingerie, there's a lot you can do to make a girl think about you constantly. 8. Be a little mysterious around you. How to make her think about you also lies in making her want to uncover more about you. If you want to keep things spicy and adventurous, do not spill all the beans at one go, or you see all your cards at once. Always keep a bit of mystery around your personality. This keeps her hooked and encourages her to keep unraveling the layers of your persona. 9. Bond with her family and friends. If you want to be a part of your tribe, then take the initiative to get to know her friends and family too. Seeing you gel well with her friends and being liked is a huge brownie point in your favor. This puts you a bit deeper into the trust circle. Moreover, if her friends really like you, they will always have great things to say about you to her. 10. Make plans for the future. Commitment might not be the first thing a man looks for, and that does not make you a commitment phobe, but it is one of the top 5 things a woman looks for if she is serious about you. So if you're thinking of how to make her think about you and are planning to take the next step up, then start making small plans with her now and then. Give her a little hint and a little taste of where you really want to take things with her. These conversations, even if they're about the distant future, give her hope that there is going to be a future. That's imperative to keep her invested in you. Conclusion. Always remember that all the tips and tricks in the world won't work if your intentions aren't pure and your actions aren't genuine. She might fall in love with you within moments, or take her own space and time. How you choose to be around her and treat her is going to make all the difference. So, here's wishing you luck. Go, win her. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.